The calibrated screen display is one method of making sure that your screen is displayed in a way that is consistent across all different monitor types. So currently we have displayed an uncalibrated screen, and we are looking at 10 seconds per page. So if you count between the grid lines, you'll see that there are 10 seconds of EEG data. Now if we want our data to be shown at 30 millimeters per second, we're going to select instead the size of the monitor, which in this case I'm using a 24-inch flat panel monitor. And now I can literally take a ruler, hold it up to the screen, and measure between each of the 1 second vertical solid lines and show that we actually have 30 millimeters between each of those. So how does this work when you're using multiple monitors, some in the office, some at home? Well, the system comes with several monitors already set up. So for instance, the 15.4-inch laptop, you can literally add a new monitor. So if I left click on add new monitor, I can give it a name. In this case, let's say the one I'm using from home on Citrix is a 19-inch monitor, and so I'm going to put in Home Citrix 19-inch. Now, I literally will measure the width and the height of the monitor that I'm using at home, and we'll say that this is 375 millimeters and 301. I click OK, and now it has readjusted to the smaller monitor. It has also added that smaller monitor to my list, so I can check it whenever I want. Now if you want to add more monitors to the list, you could do that from the administration screen. So we'll go back to administration and go down to display calibration. Now I've added Home Citrix here. I'm going to add one more. Let's say sometimes I want to use that Home Citrix in a portrait mode. And so I'm going to simply add those numbers here. This time it's going to be 301 and 375. And I hit save, and now I've added that same monitor in a portrait mode.